Hey guys, what's going on? Whoa! You guys smell that? Smells like some new beard oil. Wait, hold on. Something's in my beard. Man, I can feel it. I got it. I think I got it. Oh, oh, I found some beard oil, and it's from Artius, man. That's right, you guys. Artius, man, sent me a new scent they've got, hasn't even come out yet. It's called Restoration. Now, after opening up Restoration, it looks like we are in full swing into spring. So let's open up the oil, let's break it down, let's put it in the beard, let's see what Restoration from Artius, man, is all about. Make sure to stay to the end of the video. I got a big announcement for you guys. On top of that, make sure to go down into the link. I've got all the promo codes for Scott, Artius, man, Amazon, everything that you need to get your promo codes and your discounts. Now, for a lot of you guys that don't know about Artius, man, they have some of the best quality beard products on the market. Now, their products range from oils, balms, they go from conditioners to shampoo, even into shaving cream. Now, Artius, man, also has a very good product line of scents and smells. Now, something that sets aside Artius, man, is definitely their oils. Very heavy in its viscosity, but their oils are nice and subtle. They go well with the balms, they go well with the oils. Now, I opened this one up earlier just to give me a preview of what it was gonna smell like. And this one's gonna be one of my top shelf oils from Artius, man. Now, what's fun is these guys offer sample size oils. So not only can I save you guys 10% off from the beard oil itself, but if you guys are skeptical, wanna try some new stuff, if you go down in the link, I put down the free link that Artius, man, has there for you guys. So if you're trying some new oils out, they have some free stuff that you can actually try out. So for Restoration, when I was trying it out and giving it a nice smell, definitely has a nice spring light touch to it. Now, with that being said, I took out the Restoration. I pulled out a full vial of oil. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a little bit of test. Now, I like to put a full vial full of oil for my beard. Now we'll go ahead and rub it in. Oh yeah, it definitely has that nice spring smell. It's very uplifting. I'm definitely smelling some eucalyptus, maybe some menthol, nice spring smells, maybe some lavender. But of course, like always, the oil is just top notch. Coats every hair, gives me a nice, full, thick, dense feel in my beard. And I really like the multi-layers of smells that are coming with Restoration, having, complex, aromas that are coming from it, not just a single smell of citrus or bay rum. So it's definitely a nice intro into the spring. Now, after applying the oil, I get the word Restoration. I have that smell, that invigorating complexity of aromas that are giving me, hey, I'm waking up, I smell fresh, restored, renewed, off to my day. Now, to the best of my knowledge, this is not out yet, so this is coming soon. What I'll do is I'll put down the link to Artius, man, and once this product does come out, I'll put the link down there so it shoots you right to Restoration. Now that my beard is restored to full restoration, Artius, man, sent me also this packet, and I want you guys really to go over to their website. Not only they break down who their companies are, but what kind of products from their oils, their waxes, their balms, not only that, but their shampoos and conditioners. It really breaks down who they are as a company, and that's what who they are is be your own. And that's why I've always stuck with Artius, man. They always hook me up. They got great customer service. So go check them out. Put that promo code Scott. Try this new product of theirs, that Restoration. It's got a nice, fresh smell to it. And last thing, before I let you guys go, thank you for staying to the end of the video. You are a loyal person, I swear, thank you so much, is I got in touch with Fable Beard Co., all right? Since we are on the topic of beard companies, Fable Beard Co. is sending me some beard products. They're gonna have me review it, give me some fun giveaways for you guys, so make sure to check out in the next few videos for that, all right? So like always, like, subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!